How to delete Facebook account. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to our YouTube channel and let's get started. First thing first, make sure that you have installed a Facebook application. Launch your Facebook app, get logged into your account, and in order to delete your Facebook account, you need to know your credentials like your username and your password. Now tap onto your profile, you will see a page like this. You tap on the gear icon, and under Meta, tap on See More in Accounts Center. Likewise, under Account Settings, tap on Personal Details. And just like so, tap on Account Ownership and Control. Here you will see two options. Tap on the second one. And likewise, you will see two options again. One is deactivating account, another is deleting account. Also be noted, deactivating your account is temporary. You can go ahead and get logged into your account at any time, but deleting your account is a permanent solution. So if you would like to do so, read all these, tap Continue. And give any reason that you would like, tap Continue again, and then tap on Continue. Lastly, you have to type in your Facebook password in order to confirm your action. Once done, tap on Continue, and now your Facebook account will be deleted. If you would like to recover your Facebook account, you have 30 days to do so. Thank you all for watching, guys. We will catch you up in our next upload.